Today introduce you a great tool that is indispensable in our packaging industry, die board laser cutting machine. We have carefully created two series of flat die cutting machines and round die cutting machines to meet the diverse needs of various die cutting. In response to the packaging industry's stringent requirements for mold manufacturing efficiency and precision, Perfect Laser proudly launched the PEC 1218P fully automatic single-head laser die cutting machine. This machine innovatively uses laser technology to perform deep and precise ablation of the die plate, thereby achieving efficient installation and cutting. Compared with the traditional sawing machine processing method, its advantages are obvious at a glance: large working area, fast cutting speed, and a breakthrough cutting thickness of 25 mm, which greatly improves production efficiency. In addition, this machine is easy to operate, and the cut seams are uniform and beautiful. It is an ideal upgrade for the upper and lower cutting die cutting machine. The body is welded with high-quality square steel, with a total weight of 1.7 tons, a stable structure, and will not deform even after long-term use. The sparks are tiny during the processing, and it is equipped with an advanced air duct exhaust system to ensure a fresh and clean working environment. The working accuracy is as high as 0.1 mm, and the cutting error is extremely low, showing excellent precision and stability. The unique arrow-shaped copper column working platform is adopted to effectively reduce the support resistance. At the same time, the excellent reflection performance of the copper column to the laser effectively reduces the blackening of the cutting edge and improves the cutting quality. Flat die board laser cutting machines are widely used in various fields of the packaging industry. Whether it is complex mold design or mass production needs, they can be easily cope with it, bringing unprecedented production efficiency and cost advantages to packaging manufacturers. PEC 3000 circular mold laser cutting machine. Equipped with advanced sealed CO2 laser as the core light source, it ensures efficient and stable cutting performance. The machine is equipped with a top-notch CNC system, and through the imported balanced dual-track technology, it achieves precise motion control, providing reliable guarantee for every cutting operation. The uniquely designed laser head has an automatic focus function, which can easily cope with large-sized or partially uneven templates, ensuring consistent cutting quality. The innovative use of top and bottom dual laser heads working simultaneously not only greatly improves cutting efficiency, but also ensures cutting cut straight and precise lines. It integrates Japanese imported servo motors, high-precision guide rails and ball screw transmission systems, and cooperates with Perfect Laser's exclusive software to achieve comprehensive improvement of system performance and stable operation. Compared with traditional flat die machines, PEC 3000 performs well in speed and cost performance, and is especially suitable for precise cutting of large carton materials. It is widely used in printing and packaging, advertising, furniture, models and crafts, and other industries. The above is our introduction to flat die laser cutting machines and circular die laser cutting machines. We hope that this efficient and precise cutting equipment can bring unprecedented convenience and benefits to your production. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to leave a message. We will serve you wholeheartedly.